Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another AutoCAD video. As in the previous video we have already discussed about boundary and region command. So now in today's video we are actually going to execute a very important command which is actually text. So text commands are very important in AutoCAD, and in case if you are absent and you have to explain your drawing, these text command will explain your drawing in your absence. So now I'm going to just getting started, and I always say specify your units and limit first, and then for just drawing the text go to here. Actually there are two types of text command: multi-line text and single line text. We will explain these two kinds one by one. So first I'm gonna do I'm gonna just click on single line text from here, or the if you're going to escape, the short key for this command is DT enter. So first of all, actually what he is asking, actually I'm just turning off this grid. So what he is asking to specify your start point. I'm just going to say that this is our start point here, and now he is actually asking for height. So I am okay with 4 feet. I'm just clicking on enter again. Now he is asking for angle. The 0 is good as well. I'm just clicking on OK. As you can see, this kind of tab will appear if you zoom in a little bit, and now you can write anything you want. For example, I am writing and now I have written the text, and if you will click enter, it will again wanted to draw it will again wanted to write some text. This command will not be exit by clicking on enter. So if you click on the workspace, left click on the workspace, if you drag your mouse to here in your workspace and left click on your mouse like that, it will actually exit our task, and he wanted to draw another text. So I'm just clicking on escape again to get rid of this. Now as you can see that our text command has been executed like this one. So I'm again going to TT. This is actually a command for single line text, so I'm just panning a little bit and I will start from here like that. Now I will give height to I say that 4 feet is okay. I'm just again clicking on enter, and now I am giving a specific angle like 30. So I'm just clicking on enter, and it will show you that it is actually writing your text at 30 degrees. So let's see. Now if I click enter in text, if you click enter, this will actually open up another tab like this, and if you want to write again, but if you again go to backspace and just click on your workspace, it will exit this command and open up another tab like this. And if you want to exit this as well, just click on escape. For example, as you can see that this is our single line text. Now again I am going to DT enter. Now first of all, we have ignored this one. Now we also want to show you these kind of things here. I am just clicking on justify, and now what he is asking to left center. First of all, we have to draw a baseline. I am just clicking on escape. I'm just clicking, turning on my ortho mode, and just draw a random line like this. And now I am going to execute text command like this. I'm going to justify. Now there are different kind of things like left, center, right, align, middle, fit, these kind of things. We will explain these kind of things one by one. For example, if I click on left, specify start point of your text. For example, I say this is my start point of my text, and now specify your height. I am okay with 4 feet. Just click on enter, and angle will be 0. Just specify 0 degree angle and just click on enter. As you can see, this will start your text from the left side where you specify your starting point. I'm going to say that I'm just writing Pakistan. As you can see here, this one here, actually this command started the text from here, from the left side, and it will end up here. And if we escape this, I'm just going to delete this at the time, and again going to execute some application commands like this. And now again going to justify and center. If you want to write your text from center, as you can see here, I am okay with 4 feet height, just click on enter. Again, I'm okay with 0 degree angle, just click on enter. And now if you write anything like this, it will actually spread your text on the both sides, right and left, from center. It will actually spread your text from center, and it will go right and left both sides. So I'm just clicking on my workspace like that. It will be the command will be executed like that. I'm just clicking on enter again. I'm just deleting this. And now again go to DT, enter. I'm going to again justify. Now if you click on right, this will actually start your text from right, from here to here. It will actually go from right to left. So I'm just going to another mode like align. This is another important command, align, and we will be studying this command in the upcoming videos as well. So I am just giving the first and end point of our baseline. For example, I'm going to say this is our starting point. I'm turning off ortho mode, and I'm just going to say that this will be our end point. And now if you write anything like this, it will actually align the text from here to here. And if you will write and more, you will see that your text height will be gradually decreasing, like this one. If I'm clicking on workspace, this will exit command, as you could see, and I'm just clicking on escape. So these were the different kind of things, and I'm just going to execute another one operation like I'm again going to justify. I'm just going to say middle. Specify the middle point of your text. I'm going to say this is my middle point of my text. And now I am okay with 4 feet height here, and the angle will also be 0, as you can see. It will actually, what it does, it actually align your text in the middle, as you can see. If I wanted to write anything like this will actually write your text in the middle of this line, as you can see here. I'm just going to exit this, and I'm just going to delete this one. So I'm again going to enter DT. I'm again going to justify. I'm again going to TL. Now what he is asking, text specify top left point. Now if you will click TL, it will actually write your text on the top left point. Now I am going to say that this is my top left point, and I am okay with 4 feet height, and I am okay with 0 degree angle. Now actually it will start your text from top left, and you can see this one here. You can also write your text from top right and some kind of other corners, and I will now recommend you to explore these commands for yourself. Top left, top right, top center, middle left, middle center, middle right, and these kind of things. Explore these commands and do these operations one by one by yourself. So that's it for the single line text, and in the next video we will going to explain the multi-line text or multi-line text.